For the braking system, please note that we have a triple braking mechanism. You have a front electronic brake that will engage right here. You have a rear disc brake that will engage in the back. And you can activate these by pulling the lever, or for the back one, you can use the mudguard brake. This e-scooter has an effective braking distance as short as 16.4 feet or 5 meters. For the best braking method, you're going to want to make sure that the tread on the tires is in really good shape. You are on good road conditions. The rider's weight will also affect, and the speed that you're traveling at will also affect your braking distance. Please note that you can loosen the screws on the brake levers to adjust the length of the brake cables and to tighten the screws, as you will see right here and down here. How to adjust the disc brake in the back? Using the Allen wrench that is provided, you will simply insert here, loosen the screw, and this will allow you to move this up and down. This way you can reach the desired level of braking that you want. Once you are done, you will tighten it back, and please, before riding, check that the brake is engaging and working properly. As you see here, it is, so now we are good to go. For cleaning the disc brake, you will want to avoid using anything that is really wet, such as water or wet rags. Only use a slightly damp cloth and follow up immediately with a dry cloth. This will allow you to remove any oil and dirt or other debris that will cause the brakes to fail. Before riding the e-scooter, please always perform a simple safety check. Make sure that the handlebars are placed accordingly and are secure. Please make sure that the handlebars are in the right positions and secure. Quickly look over and make sure no parts are damaged or missing. Make sure that you have properly secured the stem. Check the cables to the brakes. Make sure that they are working and functioning properly. Check the tires for proper inflation. Make sure the battery is at a sufficient level. You will then test if the scooter can be turned on and turned off. And then, if you're going to be riding at nighttime, please check that the front light is working, the back light is on, and that also you will see there is a flashing indicator when you use the brake. Once all these are done, you're ready to ride. We would request that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and by clicking the bell icon, that will allow you to receive updates on all of our product information and anything else that our company would like to share with you. Once again, thank you.